Proxy server daisy chaining. Attacker use daisy chaining to hide identity of IP address of attackers' machines. Like attackers will send packets to the proxy 1 server, it will send packet to this proxy server, and this proxy server sends packets to the proxy 2. Means proxy 2 hide identity of proxy 1 IP address and proxy 2 hide proxy 1 IP address and proxy 2 send packet to the proxy 3 and proxy 3 hide identity of proxy 2 and proxy 3 send packet to the proxy 4. Proxy 4 hide identity of proxy 3 and proxy 4 send packet to the proxy 5 and proxy 5 send packet to the target machines. So it is very complex to track record of this attacker's machine, because attacker goes through many proxy servers to reach to the target machine to hide identity of it. But criteria is every proxy servers must work fine. If any proxy servers break, attacker cannot communicate to the target machines. So, it is required to restore proxy 2 to establish connection from attacker machine to the target machines. So, in this video, I will show you how attacker utilize daisy chaining using Workbench software. So, let's begin. Here I have Windows 10 operating system and I have installed Proxy Workbench software in it, and this software work as attacker machine, and I have Windows Server 2012 and Windows Server 2012 work as victim machines. So here I have already installed Workbench software. So let me find Proxy Workbench. Here you can see Proxy Workbench. Just open it. Here you can see I have proxy servers. If you want to configure any ports, just click on this icon, configure ports and protocols. And here you can see for HTTP, just click on configure HTTP port 8080. On the web server, it will connect to the port number 80. If you want to connect this proxy workbench to the another proxy, just click on this icon and give IP address of another proxy server. But let it on the web server connect to port. Here you can see HTTP using 8080 port number and POP3 using 110. 25 ports for SMTP. So let it as it is and go to the Windows Server 2012. But before go to the Windows Server 2012, we must know IP address of Windows 10 machine, and Windows 10 has IP address 230. And just go to the Windows Server 2012, open Firefox or Internet Explorer, go to the option, click on Advanced, go to the Network, Setting, and define IP address of the proxy servers. And IP address is 230. And port number will be 8080. Just click on OK and just open it. Here you can see I am receiving packets from the machine 222, and 222 is the IP address of Windows Server 2012. So attacker can sniff data of this victim machine using this proxy utility. So thank you for watching this video.